In the same book, we'll be doing Unit 5. So all of you will open your textbooks and write today's date and classwork. This is your Unit 5 swimming. So everybody will first write today's date 26/09/2020 and you will write here classwork. This is a lovely little poem on swimming. First we'll discuss about the activity 1. This is your activity 1. What does the activity says? List some of the indoor and outdoor games that you like to play. What is the meaning of indoor game? Indoor game means that the games which are played inside the hall or in your house, those are called as the indoor games. And the outdoor games which are played in the field like cricket, football, hockey, volleyball, जैसे swimming is there, volleyball, ये सब जो है वो outdoor games आते हैं which are played in the ground or in the big fields. Indoor games में आते हैं chess भी आता है, then even बैडमिंटन इज ऑल्सो प्लेड इंडोर नाउ डेज. तो वो सब जो होते हैं इंडोर में आते हैं, जैसे हम लूडो खेलते हैं घर में बैठ के. सो दैट इज एन इंडोर गेम. सो द गेम्स विच आर प्लेड इन साइड आर द इंडोर गेम्स एंड द वन विच आर प्लेड इन द ओपन आर कॉल्ड एज द आउटडोर गेम्स. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू लिस्ट सम ऑफ द इंडोर एंड द आउटडोर गेम्स. नाउ दिस इज ऑल अबाउट स्विमिंग, प्लेइंग इन द वाटर. दिस इज फॉर दिस होल poem is based on the swimming, how a child loves to swim in the water like a duck. So this is the picture of a swimming pool. The child is swimming. You can see here the lovely waterfalls and the water splashing all around in all the pictures. Now discuss these pictures with your friends and name the sport. Now, how many students in the class know how to swim? Anybody knows in the class how to swim? That you have to write yes or no. We are talking about the sport here, which is the swimming. In swimming also, there are many different types of styles in which you swim. Backstroke hai, butterfly hai, side stroke hai. Then there are different type of divings also. From which height you dive, how you dive, how many somersaults you take when you dive. So there are many things involved in the swimming. It's not just simply swimming in the water. पानी में तैरना ही नहीं होता, not floating in the water, but it is the different styles also that you adapt in the swimming. So there are many different competitions in the Asiads, Olympics and at the national level. So different types of swimming competitions are held. 50 meters होता है, 100 meters होता है. वैसे स्विमिंग पूल्स जो इंडोर होते हैं वहाँ पर सब ऐसा होता है. Do their parents, brothers and sisters also know how to swim? Where they go for the swimming? Ask your friends whether he or she has ever visited any water park. Where? Describe the fun you had. Now this is the picture of a water park, as you can see, and everybody must have visited the water park. Water park ने तो सबने visit किया ही होगा. Especially in Gujarat, we have many of the water parks are there. In the summer, everybody visits a water park once. So have you visited any of the water parks? So you have to write the name here, yes, and which water park you have visited, that you have to write, and then discuss. You have to discuss with your friends. Now this was on page number 33. Now we'll move on to page number 34, which is a lovely poem. I just try to sing on my own. Activity 2, enjoy the poem. I'm going to sing and I want everybody to sing the poem. When you will sing the poem, you will enjoy it also. Swimming. You can see this little boy who wants to swim. He loves swimming and he wants to swim all the time. Swimming. When all days are hot and long and robin bird has ceased his song, I go for swimming every day and have the finest kind of play. I have learned to dive. I can float and easily as does a boat. I splash and plunge and laugh and shout till daddy tells me to come out. It's much too soon, I did like to cry, for I can see the ducks go by. And daddy ducks, how I love him. He lets his children swim and swim. I feel that I would be in luck if only I could be a duck. This poem is written by Clinton Scollard. Now the name of the poet is also written. Now you should also learn to know about the poets also who have written this poem. So here the poet is expressing his own feelings. The person who write the poems is called as the poet. जो poetry लिखते हैं, जो कविता लिखते हैं, उनको क्या बोलते हैं? कवि बोलते हैं. So in English we call him as a poet, him or her as a poet. So I'll read it one more time. Swimming. When all the days are hot and long and Robin Hood had And Robin Bird has ceased his song. I go for swimming every day and have the finest kind of play. I have learned to dive and I can float as easily as does a boat. I splash and plunge and laugh and shout till daddy tells me to come out. It's much too soon. I did like to cry, for I can see the ducks go by. And daddy duck, how I love him. He lets his children swim and swim. I feel that I could be in luck if only I could be a duck. Now, what this child is telling, this child is comparing himself with a duck. Every day when the days are hot and long. When are the days hot and long, my dear children? The days are hot and long when it is summer season. Now the whole poem I'll explain you in the next. I'll explain the poem Swimming. Now this boy is talking about himself. So we can say that poet Clinton Scollard is just expressing his own feelings about how he feels when he swims in the water. When all the days are hot and long. That means when the days are hot and long. And when are the days hot and long? It is in the summer season. The days are long also and days are hot also. And the robin bird has ceased his song. But that means the robin bird, it is a type of bird which stops singing his songs. The bird stops its songs. I go for swimming every day. Every day I go for the swimming and have the finest kind of play, and that is the finest time that is the finest play I could ever have. That means the best play. Finest means the best play I could do in the whole of the day. पूरे दिन में जो सबसे अच्छा खेल है वो मुझे पानी के अंदर ही लगता है जब मैं स्विम करता हूँ. Every day when I go for swimming. I have learned to dive and I can float. And now when initially you have to learn to swim. Everybody doesn't know how to swim. So when you start learning to swim, then what I say, you also need to learn to dive also from the diving board. जब swimming pool होता है, in the swimming pool there's a diving board also at different levels. So the poet is telling that now I have learned to dive also and I can float in the water as easily as does a boat. Like as a boat floats in the water, same way I can also easily float in the water. I have learned to dive and float in the water now. I splash and plunge and laugh and shout. Because he enjoys playing in the water, so what he does when he gets into the water, he splashes. मतलब जो पानी उड़ाते हैं ना एक दूसरे के ऊपर, splashes मतलब you just what पानी को जो है हम क्या बोलते हैं, पानी को एक दूसरे पे जब हम उड़ाते हैं, यू मेक फ्लाई द वाटर. इन अदर वर्ड्स यू कैन से पानी को जो उछालते हैं तो उसमें क्या होता है, बहुत दूर तक छोटे छोटे जब जितने फोर्स से आप पानी को उछालने के उतने उसके ड्रॉप्स जो है इधर उधर गिरते हैं. तो स्प्लैश एंड प्लंज मीन्स गोइंग इनटू द वाटर. पानी के अंदर रहना और पानी को उछालना, पानी से खेलना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. व्हेन आई प्लंज आई लाफ एंड शाउट. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, सो आई लाफ ऑल्सो एंड इन माई हैप्पीनेस आई शाउट ऑल्सो. Till daddy tells me to come out. Until I remain in the water, till my dad tells me to come out of the water. Now it's time to go home. It's too much too soon. I did like to cry. That means the child feels, or the poet is telling that when my dad tells me to come out of the water, I feel that it is just a very short time that I have stayed in the water. And then at that time, when my daddy calls me back, I feel like crying because I want to stay in the water and my daddy wants me to come out of the water. For I can see the ducks go by. Now as you know, the ducks swim in the water, and the daddy ducks, how I love him. He lets his children swim and swim. Now here the poet is comparing itself with the ducks, because what he sees is the daddy. He loves the daddy duck. Why he loves the daddy duck? Because he lets his children, the baby ducks, to swim in the water as long as they want to swim in the water. So I feel that I would be in luck. He feels lucky if we would have been a duck. Only if he would have been a duck, then he could have been swimming in the water all through the day. So the poet is comparing himself with the duck, because the daddy duck is not telling his younger ducks to come out of the water. He let them swim as long as they want. So that is what the poet also wants, to stay in the water and swim for a longer time. But his daddy is calling him and to come out of the water. So he feels lucky. He says, if I will be lucky, if I am a duck, only then I will be lucky if I am a duck, so that I can stay in water for a long time and enjoy the water because he loves playing in the water. So the poet expresses his feeling of being staying in the water and swimming in the water. Now I hope you have understood this poem. Now the writing work I will give you. You have to write this poem in your notebook one time, and these keywords. That means the word meanings. Ceased means stopped. Float, keep oneself on the surface of water. जैसे बोट पानी पे तैरती है ना, वैसे float means तैरना. Splash, make water fly up. जो पानी को ऐसे उछालते हैं ना, that is called as a splash. Cause water to fall on something in a scattered drops. Just you will write like this, make water fly up. The other meaning you will not write. Plunge, go deep into the water. मतलब पानी के अंदर डूबना. So these are the 1, 2, 3 and 4 hard words that you are going to write in your notebook, classwork one time and homework one time, and this poem you are going to write it in your notebook one time. ये पोएम भी आप नोटबुक में एक बार लिखेंगे और एवरीबडी विल लिसन टू द पोएम एंड एवरीबडी विल सिंग द पोएम ऑल्सो. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू पेज नंबर 35 is your match that you have to do. This match you have to do it in your textbook only. Now here are the words given and the words, some pictures related to those words are given but they are not in the correct order. First I'll read out the words in the column A. Dive, float, boat, robin bird, plunge and splash. Now here you can see the pictures. Now first is your dive. I will match it with this blue picture. Now here I will write here A, B, C, D, E and F. So 1 you are going to match it with D. Then 2 is float. Float you are going to match it with A. You can see the bird floating. This is your float. This is your dive. Then boat is the last one, F. This is your boat. That you can also see from the picture and tell this is your boat. Then robin bird is your B. That is the only bird. So this is your B. Plunge. This is your plunge going into the water. And this is your splash. So this way you have to do the matching in your textbook only. इसको खाली textbook में ही करना है. Next on page number 36 is your true and false. State whether the following sentences are true or false. This you have to write it in your notebook one time. Book में आपको fill करके and then you have to write it in your notebook. The boy starts crying when he is called by his father. That is right. It is true. The boy has a keen desire to be a duck. That is also right, so that he can swim for a longer period of time. The boy compares himself with a robin. That is wrong. He is not comparing with the robin. The boy envies the young ones of the duck. मतलब envies means jealous of the young ones of the duck. That is right, because they can swim as long as they wish to swim. The boy considers himself to be lucky. That is wrong. He doesn't consider himself to be lucky. The boy feels that he hasn't been allowed to play to his satisfaction. That is also right. मतलब कि वो लड़के को ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि उसको जितना मर्जी हो उतना उसको पानी के साथ खेलने दिया नहीं जाता है. So he is not satisfied for the time that is given for him to play. So this is also wrong. So this much you have to do it in your notebook, classwork one time. You have to write along with writing in the textbook up to this question. The remaining exercises we will be doing on the next turn. So till then, bye bye.